Jeep Compass. Recommended replacement of the engine. So that's what we're doing right now. Welcome to Star Auto. Today we have a 2018 Jeep Compass 2.4 liter. So this engine started showing oil pressure warning light and making all sorts of noises. By the time it made it to our shop, it wasn't starting anymore. So we had to push it into the shop. We verified that it had enough engine oil, and then we proceeded to drop the oil pan. And here's what we found. So upon removing the oil pan, we found a whole bunch of bearing material inside. And also this gear. This is the oil pump drive gear. The bolt broke and the gear came off. And of course at that point the vehicle lost all oil pressure since the pump wasn't turning anymore. Given the amount of bearing material in the oil pan and in the oil filter, which we cut open, we recommended replacement of the engine. So that's what we're doing right now. We're pulling the engine. This vehicle is a write-off. More precisely, it's already a rebuilt title. It was a write-off. From the looks of it, it hit something on the road, which took out the oil pan and did some damage to the subframe. We don't know what was done to it. If they just probably they put on a new oil pan and left everything else as is. So some damage may have been done shortly after that accident. Whoever worked on this vehicle also neglected to tighten up the transmission mount bolts. So the transmission was a few threads away from sitting on the subframe. So be careful what you buy and try to steer away from rebuilt title vehicles. So the new engine is in. We just tried it out. You've seen the amount of smoke that came out of it. I'm guessing that somebody may have done a wet compression test before pulling the engine out of the donor vehicle. But the smoke has cleared up, so there's no issue there. Of course, we're going to still test drive the car, make sure that there are no leaks, everything is good, no check engine light comes on, and it's going to be ready for the customer to pick up. So You gotta be really careful when you buy vehicles. These days, a lot of desperate people doing a lot of desperate things right now. So always pull a car proof or a Carfax report, check the status of the vehicle, find out what's the history on it. Or you might be a victim of a curber just like this customer was. So follow us, subscribe. We're on Facebook, Instagram, visit our website. See you in the next video.